Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
But can you try backing up at an angle? I mean, at a curve?
Wait, I don't understand.
Oh! What are you doing?
Buckle up. Push brake. Reverse.
Okay, there's no need for you to slam it. Why'd you
sorry.
slam it?
I thought it will bend this.
What?
Hurt.
Hurt?
I mean, I'm thinking the car will hit this.
It'll beep.
It will do.
I'm pretty sure it'll beep. But no, that's not the back of the car. This is the back of the car right here. So we got this whole extra space that you can, but you should be looking.
Who is behind me? Okay.
Because not all cars will have this thing. So I wouldn't rely on it for training purposes.
Try it.
No. Did you let it go? I thought you said you were going to let it go.
Oh, okay. Let it go the steering wheel.
Yeah. When you turn.
Or so it will turn by itself.
Yeah. I showed you. Now, did you let it go?
Oh, sorry.
Why don't you turn around and right now and practice? No, turn now.
I will turn left.
Yeah.
No one is behind me, so it's okay. Let it go.
Once you're straight, or once you're going to the right place, then let it go. Let it go.
Then let it go. Like that?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Straight. This is the beep beep.
The horn?
Yeah, to say that.
Oh, it's this.
Reverse. Can I reverse then turn left? No.
I don't know what that means.
Okay. Reverse.
No, drive to drive.
I will go parking. Parking. You see?